Okay, this is the last video for the Tinkercad series. And I would like to show how you can build a more complex circuit involving a servo motor, an LCD, and some push buttons. So first, let me get my breadboard and my Arduino Uno, and I would like to zoom out for now. I'd like to get an LCD first. So what you are familiar with is the LCD 16 by 2 I2C, because this one only have 4 pins, which is just like the one that you would use inside the laboratory. So if we zoom in a little bit, you can see that here. Remember that you have to connect your GND. Well, I guess your GND to your GND, your 5 volts to your VCC, your SDA on A4, and SEL A5. We would also be using a servo motor as well. So let me get a servo motor. It's called micro servo here in Tinkercad. I think it would be better if I rotate this here, and you can see that I have 3 wires for the servo motor. It's brown, red, and orange. So your brown is your GND wire, your red is your 5 volts or power wire or power line, and this is your signal line, or you have to connect this to your digital pins. Okay, so obviously we only have one 5 volts, and both your LCD and your servo motor needs to be connected to that. So as usual, what we do in this scenario is to create a connection from here to the negative and positive power lines of the breadboard. Let's also put another one for the 5 volts. You can make some adjustments if you don't like the result, and turn this into red. Now here's the thing, since my servo motor is on the top here, I don't want my wires to crisscross from here to here downstairs. So I can make a connection from here at the bottom to the top. So let me have a black wire here, and the positive to the positives. Connect the positive to the positive. Okay, so now I have spaces for my GND connections. For the LCD first, make this red. This one I have to connect to A4, let's say green, and A5, yellow. Okay, so this one I have to connect to the ground. This should be black, and this one I have to connect to the power line. Okay, and this one, let me check the code where I'm supposed to connect it. Servo motor, pin 9. Okay, pin 9, pin 9. Okay. Oops, it won't click. Okay, I will just connect it to pin 6 for now. That's very odd. Let's change the color. Okay, now we have to add the buttons. Let's put the push button in the middle. This one is the lock button. Where do we connect the buttons? 2 and 3. The lock button on pin number 2. So I will select this terminal. Remember, it has 4 terminals. This one to pin number 2. Let's make it yellow. What's important when you're connecting push button is if you chose this terminal to be connected to the digital pin, diagonal to that, you should connect it to the GND. The other one, the other terminal beside the GND connection, put a resistor that leads to 5 volts. Okay, make sure that it's aligned. We need another one for the unlock. What did I do? Unlock. Okay, select this one. Make this blue. Again, diagonal to that, connect it to the GND. And let me just copy and paste this and connect it to 5 pots. Okay, let me copy my codes. Select text, click continue, delete and paste. I think I have to change this to 6. Okay, hopefully it works. Oh, yeah. Here's the thing with LCD, I2C. So the address has to match the code. So the address should be 0 by 27. And for some reason, this PCF 8574 type is the one working. Okay. Just don't forget to change the settings here. Let's try. This one should be connected to 5 volts. Let's try again. Okay, I guess it's moving to its lock position. If I click the lock button, it's not activating. I guess it's already in the lock position. Unlock. Okay, that's good. Lock. Okay. So that's all. Thank you so much.